See the children. Exercise 5.3 first sum. Write the exterior angles of triangle XYZ. In this given figure, XYZ figure triangle is there. Exterior angles YZ extended to up to R, XZ up to P and XY up to Z. Extended the three sides. Okay. Like this extended the in triangle. Where is the exterior angle formed? In triangle side తో టచ్ అయ్యే ఉండేలాగా ఫామ్ అవుతుందమ్మా. ఈ అవుట్ సైడ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ exterior angle. This is called straight line. This is called straight line. Here this angle, here this angle. Okay, you should write the exterior angles. Exterior angle of triangle, exterior angles of triangle XYZ are, first one, what is the name of exterior angle? PXY. Angle PXY. Second one, extended line తో పాటు మిడిల్ యాంగిల్ అండ్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్, మరొక ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ మనం కౌంట్ చేయాలమ్మా. QYZ. QYZ. Third one, RZX. RZX. How many exterior angles are formed? 3 exterior angles are formed. Second sum, find the exterior angle of each of the following triangles. First one, ABC is triangle up to extended D. Here angle A 60 degrees, angle B 73 degrees. Find the exterior angle ACD. Here I draw the figure. ABC triangle uptended, BC uptended to up to D. BC up to, draw the up to D. Outside angle is formed ACD. Write the what is the exterior angle. Okay. Given in triangle ABC, ACD, exterior angle. Angle ACD is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to opposite, sum of opposite interior angles. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. Then what is the opposite interior angles? 60 plus 73 degrees. 60 plus 73 degrees is equal to ACD. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to 173 degrees. 173 degrees. Next solution. Once observe this figure. Here DEF figure is given. Angle E is 30 degrees. You should find the outside angle. Here this symbol means D is 90 degrees. Okay, given triangle DEF, angle RFD. RFD is exterior angle. Therefore, RFD, angle RFD is equal to RFD is equal to opposite interior angles. Angle E plus angle D. This is equal to, what is the exterior angle? We don't know, right? RFD is equal to angle E 30 degrees Angle F, symbol means 90 degrees. 30 plus 90, 120 degrees is equal to RFD. RFD is 120 degrees. Exercise 5.3, third sum. Find the value of x in the following figure. See observe the figure children here. A, B, C is triangle is given. Angle A 35 degrees, angle B x. Exterior angle here DCA is exterior angle is 70 degrees. Here exterior angle. Exterior angle property, what is the exterior angle property? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Now 70 degrees is equal to 35 plus x. Okay. Now do the sum. See the children, same figure. DCA is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Right? Given in triangle ABC, what is the exterior angle? Write the exterior angle. Angle DCA is exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay. Angle DCA is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. DCA, what is the DCA? 70 degrees is equal to A 35 degrees, B plus x. We want x value. Then transpose 35 this side, 70 degrees minus 35 degrees is equal to x. 70 degrees minus 35, 35 degrees is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 35 degrees. Okay. Now second sum. This one, first one. See observe the figure here. PQR, SRP is exterior angle. Outside of the triangle, this is called exterior angle. SRP is the exterior angle. Okay. Again, given triangle PQR, what is the exterior angle? SRP is exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay. Angle SRP is equal to opposite interior angles. The angle P plus angle Q. Angle P plus angle Q. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. Now, what is the SRP value? 119 degrees is equal to P 4x plus Q 3x. We can add both. 4x plus 3x, 7x is equal to 119. We want x value. We can interchange the value. LHS, RHS మార్చుకొని రాసుకోవచ్చు. 7x is equal to 119. Then x is equal to 119 by 7. Division 119 by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 49, 7 7 ja 49, 0. Then how many times? 17 times. Therefore, x is equal to 17 degrees. Okay. Now, fourth sum. If the exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degrees and its interior opposite angles are x degrees and x plus 10 degrees, then find the value of x. Okay. Here, if the exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degrees, draw the figure. మనం ఫిగర్ డ్రా చేసుకుంటే మనకు సమ్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్ దట్ ఈజ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ 110 degrees. We can name them A, B, C. Exterior angle is D. DCA is exterior angle. DCA is exterior angle. Okay. Now, opposite interior angles x and this one x plus 10 degrees. x and x plus 10 degrees. Now do the sum. What is the given? Solution given in triangle ABC, DCA is exterior angle. Angle DCA is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? Sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Here 110 degrees is equal to x plus 10. A is x, B is x plus 10. Okay, x plus x, 2x plus 10 is equal to 110 degrees. Then 10 transpose, let's say interchange the values. 2x plus 10 is equal to 110 degrees. Now 10 transpose, 2x is equal to 110 minus 10, that is equal to 100. 2x is equal to, okay, then x is equal to 100 by 2, 50. Therefore x is equal to 50 degrees. Okay children. Fifth sum. Find the value of the x and y in each of the following figures. Here two figures are given. First figure, observe the first figure. Triangle ABC is given and two triangles here there. Triangle ABC is big triangle. Triangle CDE is a small triangle. Okay. First you can see the triangle ABC. You can close this one. You can see the triangle ABC. Angle C means x is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Okay. One see the children. Now here ABC one triangle and CDE is another triangle. Now ABC triangle C extended to D. We can think C is extended to D. C is x is exterior angle. You can close like this. C is exterior angle of triangle ABC. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That's why you can first find the x value. In triangle, first one, solution, first one, in triangle ABC, what is exterior angle? DCA. DC, not E. A వరకు మనకు triangle ABCకి ఇది exterior వచ్చినప్పుడు you can write the A. DCA is exterior angle. Okay. Exterior angle. Then DCA is equal to angle A plus angle B, sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, that is called exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. DCA, what is the DCA? X. X is equal to angle A 40 degrees, angle B 60 degrees. Then x is equal to 100 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 100 degrees. Okay. Now, second part, y value. Once observe the y, here is y is there. Now, you can take this one. Here triangle CDE, you can take this triangle CDE. Y is the exterior angle. Y is the exterior angle of triangle CDE. What is the exterior angle? AED is the exterior angle. Write that one. In triangle, second triangle CDE, angle AED is exterior angle. Exterior angle. Angle AED is equal to Angle AED is equal to, what is the interior opposite angles? Angle C plus angle D. Angle C plus angle D. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. AED means y is equal to x plus 45 degrees. What is x value? 100 degrees. Y is equal to 100 plus 45 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 145 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 145 degrees. And see the second sum. In fifth head second sum, in triangle LMN is there, find the x and y value. How can you find the x and y? Once observe. Here outside L, QLN is exterior angle. 120 degrees is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angles, y plus 70. That's why you can find the y value. After that, x plus y is linear pair. Okay. First understood the problem and how can you solve the first you can think, then you can solve the easily. Okay. Given solution, second one. In triangle, what is the name of triangle? LMN. LMN. What is the exterior angle? QLN. QLN is exterior angle. QLN is exterior angle. Angle QLN is equal to angle M plus angle N. What is the M value? Y. Y plus 70 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. Now interchange the LHS and RHS. 120 degrees. Now 70 transposed to LHS to RHS. Y is equal to 120 minus 70. That is equal to 50 degrees. Y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. Then what is the x value? X plus y is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. This one first part. Now second part. You should find the x value. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Right? Linear pair. Linear pair means sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. Linear pair. Supplementary means 180 degrees. X plus y is equal to 180. X plus, what is the y value? 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then x is equal to 50 transpose LHS to RHS, 180 minus 50. Then x is equal to 130 degrees. X is equal to 130 degrees and y is equal to 50 degrees.